for number 27, the student wants to emphasize the aim of the research study. So we'll highlight that in yellow for clear reference, and we're going to highlight it in yellow in the bullets, the following notes that the student took, whatever bullets are going to help us emphasize the aim of the research study. So starting with the first bullet, the factors that affect clutch size, the number of eggs laid at one time, have been well studied in birds but not in lizards. Okay, so maybe, but I'm not going to highlight it yet. A team led by SM, and again, not trying to pronounce names that I'm not necessarily certain of how to do so, of Tel Aviv University investigated which factors influence lizard clutch size. So that's what they're trying to do. And the first bullet I am going to highlight now because that's why they're trying to do it. It was well studied in birds, but not in lizards. Then we learned that M's team obtained data for over 3,900 lizard species. That's the method, not the aim. Then the penultimate bullet there, larger clutch size, was associated with environments in higher latitudes that have more seasonal change. That is a result, not the aim. And lizards in higher latitudes environments may lay larger clutches to take advantage of shorter windows of favorable conditions. Again, that is a result, not an aim. So we need an answer choice that matches the two bullets that we highlighted in yellow. Choice A reads, researchers wanted to know which factors influence lizard egg clutch size because such factors have been well studied in birds but not in lizard. Well, ding, 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 that's exactly matching the yellow. And we're going to go briskly through the answer choice, the remaining answer choices here, primarily for the purposes of this explanation video, but I'd go really quickly through these if I was actually taking the exam and had a feeling this was a higher level difficulty second reading and writing module. But we've got B, after they obtain the data. Well, after we obtain the data is going to be giving us results, not the reason that the study was undertaken in the first place. So there goes B. Choice C, we now know that lizards in higher latitude environments may lay larger clutches to take advantage of shorter windows of favorable conditions. Again, those are the results and a hypothesis that came from them, not the aim of the study as was requested. Researchers obtained clutch size and habitat data for over 3,900 lizard species. That's the methodology. So we already knew it was A, probably a little while ago,